I want to make $10,000 through OnlyFans in just 28 days. But for that, I need to create an AI girl. Then can I earn from platforms like OnlyFans and Instagram? So in this video, I'm going to create an AI girl and try to monetize her on OnlyFans. So for that, Step 1. Choosing the right platform to create an AI girl. I watched a lot of YouTube videos to find the best way to create an AI girl, and that's when I realized I'd need to learn different AI tools and platforms. But I couldn't do that. I only have 30 days. So I turned to ChatGPT and asked it to recommend a platform where I could create an AI girl with minimal knowledge. And that had all the tools in one place. That's when it suggested a platform called Picasso AI. When I tried Picasso AI for the first time, I was honestly shocked. I went to the AI image generation section, entered a super basic prompt like this one, used default settings, and hit generate, and boom. Even with such a simple prompt, the images it gave me were insane. I had tried other platforms before and the results were pretty bad, but Picasso was totally different. That's when I decided Picasso AI is the one I'm going to use to create my AI girl. Step 2. AI girl creation. To create an AI influencer, first we need to generate a good image. But the problem is, you're not an expert like me, so how will you write a good prompt? And if the prompt isn't good, the image won't turn out well either. So we'll use a trick to generate a good AI image without needing deep knowledge. Simply go to Instagram, find any AI influencer's page, and download one of their front-facing profile images. After that, I'll go straight to Picasso's image-to-prompt feature and just upload that downloaded image. And boom! Without any expertise, Picasso itself gives us a high-quality prompt. Now we'll copy that prompt, go to AI image generation, paste it there. Now follow the same settings as mine, select the flux model, choose an amateur photography, adjust prompt adherence as per your need, pick your preferred ratio, and set the number of images to 2. Then just click on Generate, and boom! Guys, look at this! Ultra-realistic photos. You can see how detailed and well-crafted each image is, but we'll enhance them even more. Just click on Upscale, set the strength to 0.30, resolution to 4 megapixels, and region to Face plus Body. Click on Upscale, and within seconds the image will be enhanced. And just look at the difference, how beautifully it's been upscaled. Its look, lighting, and everything else has now improved a lot. Now our base character image is ready. Step 3. Creating consistent content. Once the characters are ready, I'll use Picasso's AI image editor to generate more consistent images of the same girls. This way, I can build a proper identity and content library that actually feels real and engaging. So after coming here, we added our base character image and gave a good prompt. You can even take help from ChatGPT for the prompt. Then I clicked on Start Editing, and boom, you can see how amazingly consistent the image came out. And this is happening because Flux Kontext Pro is being used, which maintains high consistency, fine control, and style really well. Alright, now we'll generate a few more images. Again, I added a new prompt here and clicked on Generate, and within seconds we got another great image. I had already generated 2 images, but I didn't stop. I thought, let me try one more image. And this prompt looked a bit tricky. Let's see if it can generate a good image or not. Wow, I didn't expect it, but even with this prompt, it generated a great image. But the work isn't fully done yet. Now the real work begins, which is video generation. But before that, make sure to subscribe, because here I'm teaching you everything from generating an AI influencer to making good revenue from it. Step 4. AI video generation. First, go to the image to video generation section. To generate an image to video, I selected the Kling 2.1 model. It's the latest one and gives the best quality. After that, I'll add my image here. Set the freedom level to 50%, keep the quality at 1080p, and set the duration to 10 seconds. Then I'll just paste the prompt here. For the prompt, you can go to ChatGPT, upload your main image, and simply write a positive and negative prompt for slight movement in this image for converting this image into video using Picasso. Make sure to also include a negative prompt, so just copy both prompt and paste in Picasso. Then click to generate. Oh wow, what an amazing video it created. Seriously, I didn't expect it to be this easy. Now let's try generating one more video. Again, I'll add my image and just paste simple prompt here and click on generate. Boom. This one also looks super realistic. Honestly, Picasso AI really makes the process of creating AI influencers so simple. So finally, it's time to monetize my AI girl through the OnlyFans platform. If this video hits 10,000 views, I'll reveal exactly how much money I make from these AI girls on OnlyFans. See you in the next video. Until then, bye!